right, here we go.
So tell me about this guitar.
So this guitar is a hand-built guitar made by Paul Languedoc. And Paul Languedoc is well known for his guitars that he makes for Train Anastasio of Fish. And being a big fan of Trey's and his tone and his playing and everything from high school, I reached out to Paul when I was in college in New York in the 90s and asked him if he would make me an instrument. And he was like, no, not really making instruments for anyone right now, working for the band. But he's like, you might check in a few years, but I might be able to do it. So fast forward a couple of years, still in New York, he said, not ready yet, but check back. And then I messaged him a few years later, and he was like, I think I can get you in a build. You know, he put his website up, and he was now not working for the band anymore, and he was making guitars.
Nice.
And so I asked him, you know, again, and he said, yeah, he could get me in a build, but he's like, I gotta tell you, it's gonna cost X amount. And it was, there's no way I could afford it. So I was like, I'm sorry, but I can't do it. And then 4 years after that, about the whole time me still wanting a Languedoc guitar, since the age of probably 15 or 16, he was like, I was like, well, I wish I actually had him build me the guitar. Even though it cost a lot of money, I should have just done something and made it happen. And I reached out to him again, and at that point it was like, no, his list is full, or he's not taking anyone. And then for a few years I couldn't even get a hold of him. And then we talked about him building me one, but I asked for something different. I didn't want the same exact guitar as Trey has. I wanted him to make some customizations, and he wasn't really like open to it. So finally he got back to me, and he was like, let's go. Yeah. And we agreed on a couple things that he was willing to do. Look at this case. When you open it, it's like, oh, it didn't do it, but yeah. Almost there you go.
Whoa.
It's got like a,
It's like, whoa. It's a humidor.
this is like the most insane case I've ever seen. Now this case is like custom made for the guitar.
But it is an SKB case, though.
The outside.
Yeah.
But the inside is made.
Whoa.
Oh, wow.
Whoa.
Isn't that sweet? Yeah. So it's black, and it takes a little bit of the color of whatever the rim is, I've noticed. Like, I've seen it look green. It almost looks like purplish right now.
Wow, it looks really purple.
But it's not. It's black.
It's black.
Yeah.
I swear, in the video, it looks purple. Look at that.
Yeah. It's like taking the color of the rim or something.
But it is black.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And check out the woodwork on this,
Oh.
the trim.
Oh, yeah.
It almost like changes with the angle. It does change with the angle. And so does the wood on the back of the neck too. So this is African Badook,
Wow.
back and sides, and then maple top.
Gorgeous.
Wow. Wow, that is just beautiful. We've been talking
Crazy,
about...
it does look purple, but it never looked purple before. I've never seen that.
That's wild. It only looks purple in my house.
What?
It's black now. It's black. Nope, it's still purple.
It's
Yeah.
purple because you went to Mel's house.
Whoa.
I don't know, maybe it is like has a little bit of that. Maybe the wood has something like that.
Whoa. It changes color, man.
I don't know. Yeah.
It's heavy.
And so the F-holes, like, I don't think he's ever done a guitar with these F-holes. He does have like a different model guitar that has one of these. It's semi-hollow. But as for a full hollow, I don't think he has. And the inlays are really cool. Look at that.
Mm.
Yeah, and I almost,
You and I have been talking about this
Yeah.
for over a decade. I know that.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah.
Because
It's weird.
I remember we were talking about this at Seattle Drum School in like 2006.
6?
Yeah. Oops. Sorry.
Yeah,
about
2006 was probably like I reached out to him, but he won't do it, or maybe he was
that. Yeah, or
just
like
I wanted it, or
yeah, or like he was too busy or something. I don't know.
yeah. It's pretty loud for being.
For not even plugged in.
Yeah.
Right?
So cool.
Yeah.